it's a bit since I've done something garden with this wet June we've had, but I'll give you me 6th update. I've managed to get all the slabs completed now. I'll give you a quick look round, and I'll be doing some grouting next, and I'll show you what grout I'm going to use. It's just a sweeping grout, and they say you can use it, the wetter the better. So I'll be giving that a try in a bit, and I'll show you how we go on. Just give you a quick look round what I've finished the slabbing. Right, so if you look down the garden, it's all that done. I've started painting the summer house before I put it together. Probably needs another 2 or 3 coats on that. As you can see, all the joints were full of leaf husks off the trees at the back, so luckily it was a dry day yesterday and I managed to blow most of the leaf husks out ready for grouting. So I've also put a step, which I weren't sure about because it's not that high, but with that old lady over there who's struggling with her arthritis and the young grandkids, it'd been a wide step and they'll drop down, so I thought, right, we'll put a step in. So I did that one. As you can see, I got in there now, managed to do the full circle around the lawn. So once I've finished the slabbing all the way over to here and through the gate. And it sounds like today is going to be the ideal day for doing the grouting, because as it says, wetter the better to put it down, and all you do is sweep it in. So once I've done the grouting, the summer house can go up, and then I've just got to get rid of those few slabs, dig that old bit of grass up, prepare for the circular lawn. Right, I'll show you what I'm going to use for the grouting. It's quite expensive, but you don't have to mix sand or cement or anything together. It just sweeps in. When using it, it recommends that all your slabs laid on a full bed of mortar, and the cement mix has got to be 6 sharp sand to 1 cement. This allows for some drainage through the joints. So I've tried my best to keep that mix, and they recommend that you just wet the slabs for a long period, keep the whole area wet, and then just sweep it in, and over the time it dries out and air sets. So as it says on the box, wetter the better. So we'll give that a try. I'll show you what I've got now. Right, this is what I got. Easy joint. I think it was around 36 bits since I bought it, about £36 a tub. And I'm not sure how far it'll go, so I've got 2 tubs. So I've got it in mushroom colour. You can get it in basalt, buff sand, jet black, mushroom and stone grey. So I thought the mushroom would go nicely with the slabs we've got. Right, all it says on the instructions is you need a hose pipe, a soft bristle broom, and pointing tool just to finish off after it's had about an hour to start going off, and you can just finish the joints off, or you can just leave it so it's flush with slabs. I'll see how it looks when I've finished brushing it in, and how it looks level with the slabs, or I may finish it off with that yet, I'm not sure. Right, we'll start on with it and we'll show you how we go on. Oh yeah, and I forgot, a pair of Wellingtons because there'll be a lot of water around. Right, we'll start sweeping it in. I'll show you how we go on. Right, it says make sure all your joints are as clean as you can get them. Any loose leaves or debris to be rushed off. So I'll do that first. Right, it says to wet the whole area for 5 to 7 minutes, so I'll start doing that now. Right, that's had a real good soaking now. Now we just open the bag, keep the contents wet and sweep it into the joints. Right, we'll have a go at that. Right, them 2 tubs didn't go far, so I'm going to need a lot more to do what I need to do. It goes in quite easy. It's a bit trying to get all bits off the top of the slabs. You seem to wash it and it washes out at joints a bit. But it does say more wetter the better. But the more wetter you put it, the more the actual granules come out of the joint a bit. So I won't leave it a bit and get another wash off and a sweep, and then go over with pointing iron just to go down. I'll probably need another 4 or 5 tubs to do what I need to do. Anyway, I'll show you what I've done. So it does go in well. It's just going that, as you can see, I've washed some away down there. But it says not to leave any excess on the top of the slabs, which is hard to do. And if you try and wash it off the excess oils and that, it washes it out at joint again. So I'm not sure what the wetter the better means, but I'll have another go. But it's looking good now anyway. Right, running out of material now. Just do a final sweep up. It started raining now, so I have to keep it moist. Just can't get rid of them small granules on top. Keep cleaning brush off and that, and it's still leaving them on top. But all in all, it's looking well. It's going to cost a lot more than what I thought to grout these. It's easy enough to do. Right, that's it for update 6. Once I've finished, I'll show you how it looks when it's all finished. Once I've bought some materials, that is. Right, it's starting to rain now and I'm getting wet, so it's time to go in. Tidy up and go in. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment. Subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. I've got numerous other videos coming out. So we'll catch you in the next video. Bye for now. Bye.